Hey everyone, I recently got some Meta Glasses Generation 2 and I wanted to get some new lenses. Like, as you all know, they come with the clear lenses, which is great, but you may want some tinted polarized lenses for when you're outside in the sun, that kind of thing. Or you may want to get some prescription lenses to put in this thing. I was nervous about popping these out and putting in some new lenses, but I'm going to show you just how easy it actually is. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop out the clear lenses. It is really easy. I do recommend that you have a microfiber cloth on hand and the lenses that you want to pop in. You will get smudges or thumbprints on these, but that's okay. You can just wipe it off afterwards. You want to start on the corner that's closest to the nose bridge, and you just want to press and push, and then it pops right out. It seems a little bit scary, but these things are really durable. They're not going to break, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is put a little bit of pressure in that corner. I'll do it again for the other side. And then it just comes right out. Once you get used to it and do it a few times, it gets really easy. So now I don't have any lenses. Now I'm going to snap in the tinted lenses I got from Amazon. And you want to do it from the other side of the glasses. So now I'm on the outside. And you want to start with the area closest to the light. So snap that side in, then snap the side by the bridge. And now pretty much the rest of it might automatically go in. So it's in there really good now. And now for the other side, you want to snap in the side closest to the light, and then the bridge, and then work your way down. And now they're both in. Got my tinted shades now. Now I can wipe away those thumbprints with the microfiber cloth that I have. That was only my second time doing it, and it was just so much easier even the second time because I knew exactly what I was doing. I was a little bit nervous the first time, but again, like, these things are really durable. You can snap those things out, snap them in. Don't worry about them breaking. As long as you're doing it in the right corner first, you're good. Now I'm ready to get in my car, start driving. I won't have to worry about the sun hurting my eyes because I have my new lenses. And when I'm indoors, I can easily pop out these lenses and put my clear lenses back in.